higher than the tallest tree. Everywhere the world is free, forgotten dreams in skies of blue, whispered secrets just for you. Through canyons deep and valleys wide, eagles soaring take the ride. Rivers carve their ancient tales, mountains high where no one fails. Glide above the hills and streams, awake within your wildest dreams. Landscapes painted in the sky, fly with wonder, don't ask why. Clouds are drifting, wind sings soft, vista endless from aloft. Glowing sunset, crimson hue. Night descends, stars peek through, silent whispers in the breeze. Songs of earth